Hi everyone, my name is Lina Marcela Carvajal Claros. Today I'm going to tell you about vowel sounds and tongue symbol in isolation and worst. Next, I will show all the vowel sounds A, E, I, O, and U. It should be said that to identify the vowel sounds and phonemes, we observe the part of the tongue that will rise and degrees of elevations, if it is front, center, or back, and if it is high, mid, or low. However, we must note that the tongue position varies depending on the vowel being produced. In this case, there are short vowels sound and there are long vowel sound. That's we have. Okay, there are vowel sounds. For example, E, U, U, E, O, A, O. For example, the vowel E, sheep, pig, and the vowel E, C, ear, U, hood, could, U, blue, used, E, bed, red, E, father, mother, E, learn, her, O, no, hope, A, that, mad, A, like, run, A, bar, car, O, stop, rock. Now, there are the tongue position for each vowel. For example, front. When the front of the tongue is the one being raised in the articulation of the sound. E, E, E. C, hit, bed. Center. When the center of the tongue is the one involved in the articulation, it is usually the first to produce the central sound of the per vowel category. For example, E, cinema, what? Back. The back vowels usually get articulated with the back of the tongue raised or lower or in between, as the case may be. U, O, O. For example, foot, took, high, closed. These sort of vowels get articulated with either the front, center, or back of the tongue raised quite high, close to the roof of the mouth. E, U. For example, sleep, many, look, wood. Mid. This sort of vowel have the tongue raised a bit varying as high as in high or close vowels. They aren't so close to the roof of the mouth. E, A, O, O. For example, med, black, cook, fall. Finally, allow, open. These sort of vowels have the tongue position in their articulation quite close to the floor of the mouth. A, father, arm. Now, the tongue sound vowels. This is the explanation about the tongue. The tongue deals with vowels. Every vowel has its own short sounds and long vowel sound. However, the tongue comes into play whenever a vowel makes a new and different sound, usually because it is working in conjunction with another vowel. For example, the tone sounds are ia, ea, ua, au, o, a, I, oi. Well, there are some examples about the tongue. The first vowel is I and E. Yeah. Near, here, here. The second is the vowel M and E. The sound is E. Car, bar, E. The third vowel is U, E. U. Short for tourist. Then the vowel A, U, out, now, house, brown. This is the vowel F and U. O, go, slow down. A, rank, bake, say. I, like, write, fight. Finally, the vowel O and E. The sound and the tongue is oi, boy, toy, fall. Okay guys, thank you for your attention. Bye.